Let's make this title animation. We're gonna be using illustrator for the design of the title, and then we will move on to make it inside After Effects. So this title is mainly created using Element 3D. So we're gonna be needing the Element 3D plugin, which is from videocopilot.net. So let's try breaking this down. The letters are break down into multiple cameras. So these are all separate shots. The first shot, the second shot is this Z. So this Z is this this is mainly created using the aux channel inside Element 3D. So you can separate the parts of the letters and then animate it inside aux channel inside Element 3D. So these kinds of shakes occur during the attachment of the letters. So these all gonna be covered inside this tutorial. Let's just begin by creating the design first. So this is going to be general. I'm gonna be referencing to this design, to this image. So this is the final image, final design of the final formation of the title. So I'm going to take a snapshot of this. This is another little script from Video Copilot. You can get this from videocopilot.net. This one is called, I think this is called the FX console. So you can make a screenshot and then save into PNG or JPEG or whatever. So you can also copy to clipboard. So just try copying it to clipboard and then pasting to Illustrator. It worked. So and then I'm going to place it here. So we're gonna be referencing to this. Press Ctrl 2 to lock the layer, lock the object, and then let's just create these letters. So first create P for pen tool, plus P for pen tool, and then we don't need the fill. So plus backslash to remove the fill, and then plus X to toggle between fill and stroke, and then plus left square bracket to fill this into a stroke, and then let's just choose different color for the stroke. I am choosing black here, and then start by creating Z. I'm going to cross check the value from the title, so hopefully it will be alright. So this number 75, I am going to change it to 70, so it should match the width of the letters. Horizontal parts I might be needing 75, so 75 for the height, 70 for the width. Hopefully we get the same result. So I'm going to delete this and then start over again. So is it, I just finished it in one thing, so hopefully it will be alright. I'm going to press A for the direct selection tool. So is it, and then E, I'm pressing A for the direct selection tool, and then I'm just moving this out to get this 2.C1. I'm going to mark selection this, and then I'm pressing S for the scale tool, and then I'm holding Alt and then pressing here to get this dialog, and then this horizontal, this vertical. So I'm pressing non-uniform and then pressing horizontal to 100, vertical to 0. I think it's the other way around. Horizontal should be 0. So now these 2 points got even, and then to find the center, I'm going to press and wait for a second, and then it shows me this is the center point. So I'm going to press here, create another point, and then press another point to create E. For the B and R, I'm going to create letter P. So it is going to be used on B and R. So I'm just going to create P, and then I'm gonna use the same P on the letter R, and then create the lower parts. For B, and just create this vertical right, and then for letter P, I'm going to create like this. I'm going to use direct selection tool by pressing A, I'm going to press A for the direct selection tool, and then I'm going to round this spot. I think I need let's just stick it to this. I'm going to hold Alt and then use the move tool to move this letter, duplicate and move this, and then I'm going to use it again, holding Alt and moving using the mouse cursor, move tool. I'm going to use the pen tool again, I just use the direct selection tool.